What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Dr. Barber Jacobs, and today we got this man right here.
Yes sir, my name is
Kevin
Sagawach. I am half German, half Filipino from Manila. So today we're going for just a mid-fade, normal mid-fade, and this is my first time getting a haircut from Momo, so we'll see how good he is actually.
Alright, let's get started, man.
Yeah, yes sir.
Alright YouTube, I start off with wetting his hair first with a spray bottle, making all the hair sticky and lay down, combing down so that all the hair is facing the same direction. Yeah, this is, like setting up the foundation for the fade is very important, I think. And I'm using number 3 guard, live all the way close to clean up the bulk so that I can work on the fade later. You don't really have to do this, but I like to do it so that I don't have to think about taking the bulk later. Alright, take out your clippers and no guard this time. Leave it all the way close so it's the shortest length, and go up and create your guideline. He asked me for a mid-fade, so like I'm starting off my line somewhere in the middle, not too high, not too low. I always like to give it a little drop at the back. So I mean, depends on the preference of that person. But Kevin asked me for a drop fade. I think it will suit his style as well. So I'm creating that line right there, and I'm taking off the bulk, just shaving off. And I also order like a shaver once again from like wish.com or something, so it's coming in a week, so I'm about to do the review for a shaver as well. I can finally use shaver to make it even look bald cleaner, so I'm gonna do the review video like anytime soon, so stay tuned. Open up your lever so it's a bit longer, and go up and create second guideline about 1 inch. Once again, look how I use like the same clippers for creating a guideline, and you can't really see like the line, right, like initial guideline to flick out. So but don't worry about it, just go through the process. If you can't see the line, just leave it. And so I'm going up, and I kind of messed it up in that sense that it's not very like in nice curve at the back of his head. Like you notice there's a bump, but like I'll come back to it later and fix it. But like always focus on your work, always know what you're doing, and make it as nice as possible. Yeah, I'm flicking at the line, which we can't really see the lines, but I'm just doing it so that it doesn't mess up the process. So if you can't really see the line, you should still do it. Put your number 1 guard, leave it all the way open, and go up and create third guideline, go up at about 1 inch. This time I can see the line, which I'll be erasing the line with the 0.5 guard later. But like we were, like when I cut hair, like I like to talk to my clients, just talk about like things in life and other stuff. And this time it was pretty funny because like Kevin was talking about like very like formal things, like hey, how's your life, how's the weather, very like superficial topic. And then meanwhile I was asking about like his relationship, his internship, and his other like personal stuff. And
Bro, this is going YouTube.
No. I put the voiceover. Like I put music, I mute everything.
Okay.
Yeah, no worry.
Oh, that's why the whole time I was like watching what I was saying, like a diplomat, bro.
Don't worry.
Oh. Dude, I felt like I was in like an interview, like how are you doing?
Yes, thesis, that's not Kevin.
Bruh, fuck that.
Alright, so I'm putting back on 0.5 0.5 guard, leave it all the way open and slash halfway. I usually leave it like halfway and just flicking out that line. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do. You don't lose anything. You just lose like 2 seconds of your life. So just click that subscribe button, and if you really like the video, just share it with your friends, like post it on Facebook or something like that. Alright, so I'm putting number 2 guard and level all the way close, and I'm creating another guideline kind of this time, so that I can blend in the fade with the hair on the top. So you can already see, like the boundary, right? And I'm using number 1.5 guard and perfecting the blend. And this is basically the detail work. I'm putting back on number 1 guard, level all the way open, and find a dark spot and just attacking it. Honestly, it was kind of hard. It was kind of hard for me to work on the detail work because because of his hair texture is very difficult to handle with. I was trying my best, but I think one tip to when you're fading someone's hair, I have a tip for you. Just take a picture of that hair once in a while, because when you see the haircut on the screen, and you can sometimes see the spot that you're missing, or the spot that you couldn't really see it in the real eyes. Like the camera detects very precisely in that sense. So always take a picture and go back to it. So that's what I do. So I look at my own screen when I'm recording this video and go back to it, go back to the dark spot, or you see a line or something like that. Yeah, this is all the fading is all about process, I guess. Experience and process and practices. And yeah, so top of his hair is still bulky, so I'm putting number 3 guard, level all the way close. And this is the blend in to the top of his hair. And I try my best to do the clipper over comb method, because I can see the hair in the front is kind of bulky and it's kind of hanging over the fade. So I'm trying to even out the hair across the hairline. Alright, by the way, if you like the beats, go check out My friend Yari, he makes very cool beats, you know, on YouTube. He's a young YouTuber. Go check him out. He makes instrumental beats, Afro beats, lo-fi hip hop, Afrobeat swing, and other types of music. So check his channel out. You know, I'll put that link in the description, and you know, go support my friends as well.
Is that AB or was that some random? Alright.
What's up, Kevin?
What's up, dude? Fresh cut. Momo did me well today, I have to say, bro. Appreciate it, Momo. You got me looking fresh, you know? Summer haircut, but I'm staying on campus doing an internship. Well, it's good. Alright.
You have any comments?
Any comments? I'd like to thank Momo,
My
bro.
subscribers.
Yes, Momo's a G, bro. If you need a haircut, go for Momo. It's not that expensive, you know, €8. But he does you well, bro. My man Momo, shout out to Momo. Thank you for the haircut. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. Appreciate it.
Stay tuned, YouTube.
Stay tuned, yes sir, yes sir. Alright, 2020, here we come.
Alright.